So over here, you can see that I have this space right here. And then I roughly know how the space would look like live because the layout right here is exactly as how it would look live. But if I want a proper interactive base, I can go ahead and preview it. So to do that, here you can see that I'm already in the desktop preview mode right here. But if I were to click on preview site, then I will be taken onto a new page right here where you can see that I get an actual live page right here. So you can see that you can view the live site as well, but this is a site preview option right here. So you can see that this preview is on screen. You can also choose tablet right here so that you get the preview on the tablet mode. And then you can see the preview right here just like this. Everything is actually responsive. All of the sections that you have in Strikingly are responsive. So you don't need to do anything from your side, that you can preview it to see how it would look like on a tablet. So this is basically what you have, as you can see. On the top, you can see that you also have the phone mode where you actually see how it would look on a phone, including the menu right here, just like this right here. So if you have multiple pages, you'll be able to access that out right here, just like this as well. And this is how you can preview out the site. And apart from that, around over here in the preview section, you can see that you can switch to mobile view in the editor as well. So this is how it will actually look right here. So it's using, it's editing in the mobile view right here, just like this now. So you can see that it is loading. And now you can see that I'm in the editor in the mobile view right here, just like this. And I can make any changes to it, and the changes will be reflected on the desktop version as well. So anyways, you can see that I'm in the mobile editing mode. So I'm going to go back to switch to desktop mode right here and then edit it how I like. So that is how you can go ahead and preview out your site using Strikingly. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.